Hello everyone, welcome back. Hope you all are doing good. In today's vlog, I will be sharing two simple recipes which are easy and quick to make. One is of kofte, that is meatballs, and another is a super easy cucumber salad. As said in my previous video, pros of having a pet is you go out for a walk every day. Now starting with the recipe of meatballs. First dry roasted the onions, coconut powder and some nuts like almonds and cashews. Blend around 1 cup of boneless meat without adding water. After blending the meat, next blend the onions and nuts together without adding water or add little water to it. Now blend the coconut powder. Along with it add ginger garlic paste, red chili powder and coriander, mint leaves and a green chili. Now in a big jar we need to blend all these three together: the minced meat, the onion and the nuts paste and the coconut powder paste. Add little water and salt as per your taste. Also add half a tablespoon of garam masala and blend it this way. It should not be too liquidy, not too thick. And to the heated oil add cumin seeds and 1 cup of onions. After sauteing the onions well, add salt and ginger garlic paste. Add 1 green chili for flavor. When the onions turn golden brown, add 1 cup of water to it. Take a small portion of the mixture and roll it into your balls and drop them. Cover it with a lid and let it cook on medium flame. In between, just toss them this way. Do not use the spatula as they may get break. When the water is completely dry, you can use a spatula and stir them. Then let it cook for 5 minutes on a low flame and that's done. It's ready. Trust me, they taste really good. You can enjoy them along with rice or roti. As you all know, we live in a compound and some of our colleagues do farming in this open area. One of them has cultivated cucumbers, so they gave us one which was a long and yellow in color. Using a part of it for a salad, so peeled and chopped it into cubes. Even the carrot, peeled and chopped into cubes, and using some mint leaves too. In a bowl, took 2 scoops of mayonnaise. To it added salt and black pepper. Also added a tablespoon of olive oil. Now add this mayonnaise mixture to the chopped veggies and mix it well. Add some mint leaves and sprinkle some sugar. That's done. A quick and easy cucumber salad with carrot is ready. Let me know in the comment section if you do try these recipes. See you soon in another vlog. Till then, stay safe, take care and thanks for watching.